Here's some quick tips on how to keep your whole closet smelling fresh. You want to make sure the whole area is ventilated, so leave your closet doors open for at least a few hours each day. And dirty laundry, that's really not a good idea in your closet, so find somewhere different to put that. Now, if you have carpet on your closet floor, about once a month, sprinkle some baking soda on the floor. Then leave it for about 24 hours so it has time to absorb all the odors. Then just vacuum it up. Now, if you love the way your clothes smell after being stored in a cedar chest, here's a less expensive way to get the same results. Just go to a pet store and get some cedar shavings. Those are normally used for filling pet beds. But put the shavings in various different size paper bags and then roll the tops down and fasten it with a stapler. Now take something and punch some holes in the bottom so that the cedar scent has a chance to escape. Now place the larger bags just around your closet in various different places and take the smaller bags and just throw them in some drawers so that the clothes in your drawers smell fresh. Now you can also make a great deodorizer for your closet by using some cotton balls and your favorite essential oil fragrance. You'll need to take a small jar and just punch some holes in the top with a hammer and a nail. Now remove the lid and put a little oil on your cotton balls. The oil is so concentrated that the fragrance will last a long time, so you just need a few. Now just put the lid back on and then just set it in your closet somewhere and you have a great closet deodorizer.